I park at a place to. I just parked at a place and this bird came to me, playing on my car for close for a long time. It's been playing on my car, the windows. It even want to come inside. Yes, that camera. Thank you. I parked at this place to pray, and this bird came to my car playing. Oh, yes, you. How are you? You wanna come in? It's playing on my car for a long time. So I said, let me just take a picture of it. Is it the Holy Spirit? Well, probably. I don't know. How this bird came? How many? I said a bird. Has any bird come play on your car before? Have you had any bird come? Actually, it's raining. It has to go seek a shelter. You see, it's raining. It has to go and seek a shelter somewhere. But it's not going. The bird is not going. You wanna come in? Let's play on my mirror. Okay, start I went closer to it. It didn't move, and it's still on my car. Wow! It went down there. It's drizzling. I was thinking it might go away. It's not. Ooh, where did it go? It's come to the side of the car. See? On the right side. Yay. It's having fun, man. Yeah. From left of the mirror to the right. Yeah. It's drizzling, so I was thinking I might go away. Or I might go to his nest and find. Ooh. Let's go on. It's flown away. Flown away now. It's flown away now. Yeah. That's cool.